back to the channel, guys. We are back on with the Scooby. We have got some new injector plugs to fit. I've also gone and got a nice new, well, new to me, second-hand Turbo Smart dual blow-off valve. Yeah, we've got a Misfire. I've sussed the Misfire now. The Misfire is a dodgy injector plug. The cables are coming out the back, been pinned at some point, and they're not brilliant, so I'm going to snip them off, extend them with them. Instead of just doing one, I'm going to do all four, then I know they're right. So to do that, I just need to whip the washer bottle off and I think air filter off that side, just to get a bit more access. So I'll get some tools together, whip these off, and then come back to you. Alright, let's have a look. I'll show you the culprits for the Misfire. So the Misfire that we've been struggling with has been caused by that injector plug there. Pins keep coming out the back of the plug, so, and they're really tight to the loom there. So I've got some fresh plugs with a longer cable on. I'm just going to cut them off and splice them in, and then it will give us a little bit more room rather than being tight like that. So yeah, so that's today's little mission. Get the injector plug sorted, install the new blow-off valve, and then we'll go for a drive just to make sure everything's right. Because we went to Blyton Park with Team Camps Racing and Camps Performance, we managed 3 laps and then we got rained off. Got it back, that's when we had the Misfire. So head fell off, put it to one side, left it, carried on working on the 80. So back on Scooby now, let's get it up and running right, get these little niggles out of the road. That's what we've got. Nice new fresh clip with the wires properly in there. Oh, that is an absolute pig to get to. Right, let me make sure we've got the right plugs. The old pin there, you don't know if you're able to see on camera, but the pins are barely pushed through. Anyway, that one just comes out. Slip that into the cable, twist your wires together, slide that on, get that in the middle, heat it up, that'll heat shrink them, and then keep going and it'll heat that little bit of solder up and it'll solder it, and then got a nice tight joint there. So they're very good, but obviously putting heat down here, we've got a few flat lines and all, so it's just got to be careful.